Want to reactivate your Facebook account after deactivating or deleting it? This video will show you how to do it using the mobile application. Open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and then enter your email address that is associated with your account in the top, followed by the password in the second field. Then tap on login, which is highlighted in blue color. But before that, if you've forgotten your password, you can tap on forgotten password option over here and then follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. If you temporarily deactivated your account, you'll be instantly logged into your account without any confirmation. But if you have chosen to delete your account, you'll get the option of reactivate. Go ahead and tap on reactivate, which is highlighted in blue color. And if you chose to permanently delete your account, you only have 30 days from your request to reactivate it. And this will reactivate your account, restoring your post, friends, and data. So that's it. You're back on Facebook now. And for more Facebook tips and tutorials, please check out our other videos related to Facebook and subscribe to our channel for more amazing video like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.